Hello everyone, how's it going? Cool, that's awesome. And how's the last lesson? Did you still get it? Alright, and that last lesson really brings us on to the more specific level of social theory, which is symbolic interactionism. And in this lesson today, actually, we will begin our discussion with the main idea of Mead and the two most significant intellectual roots of Mead work in particular and of symbolic interactionism in general are the philosophy of pragmatism and psychological behaviorism. Are you excited now? Okay, let's get started. Pragmatism is a wide-ranging philosophical position. There, we can identify several aspects that influence work of Mead for developing sociological orientation. The first, to pragmatists, the true reality in the world does not exist. And the second, people remember best their own knowledge of the world and what proved useful to them. So they are likely to alter everything that no longer useful or work for them. People define the social or the physical objects that they encounter in the real world according to their use for them. And finally, if we want to understand the actor, we must base the understanding on what people really doing in the world. The 3 points are critical for symbolic interactionism. First, the focus on the interaction between the actor and the world. Second, the view of both the actor and the world as dynamic processes, not a static structure. The third, and the great importance attributed to the ability of actor to interpret the social world. Behaviorism is a perspective that leads Mead in realist and then empirical directions. In fact, Mead called his concern as social behaviorism to differentiate it from the radical behaviorism of John B. Watson, who was one of Mead's students. Radical behaviorist Watsons were concerned with the observable behavior of individual. They focused on the stimuli that elicit the response they denied and were disinclined to attribute much more to the conflict's mental process, such as thinking. The appeal between the stimuli was supplied and the response was emitted. Recognized the importance to the observable behavior, but he felt there are some aspects of its mental process that interrupt this response that the radical behaviorists had ignored. Because Mead accepted the empiricism that was the basic of behaviorism, he didn't simply to philosophize the conflict mental process. Rather, he sought and expand the empirical science to behaviorism to them. That is, and what goes on between the stimulus and the response. Finally, because Watson rejected the mind, Mead saw him as having passive image of the actor, as puppet. But on the other hand, Mead subscribed to a much more creative and dynamic image of the actor, and it was that made him more attractive to the latter symbolic interactionist. That's it for today's lesson. Okay, is there any questions? Good questions. Okay, to make sure you understand more, I recommend you to relearn. Relearn is a crucial thing. By relearn, you could easily understand and internalize what we've learned today to the real knowledge. Okay, I hope this lesson will be helpful for you and you could take advantage from that. And see you soon to the next class.